Hi, good evening, guys. Good evening to you all. Good evening to you all. Thanks at the thank you now for subscribing to my channel, for sharing my video and dropping the comments. And always, please don't forget to click on the like button so that I will know that whether you like the video or not. And your comment is really important. And I know many people were requesting my number under the comment button. The number is plus 393 510 851685. Plus 393 510 851685. Yeah, you can contact me on WhatsApp on on this number. Today we are here. You know, we always talk about document issue. So every time we come online, if there is an information, if there is some things we have to do corrections about, we will come out and do the correction about. We are here to assist each other, to help each other. But I'll beg you, if you wanna call me, don't call me working days. From Monday to Friday, I'm at work. I used to come house late, so calling me sometimes I cannot pick your call working days from Monday to Friday, but you can call me Saturday and Sundays. I'm free and I can reply your questions for you. But you can drop your comments later. If I read it, I can also reply it for you. Subscribe to my wife's channel, that's Europe Family TV, and share her video as you are showing love to my video. Today we want to talk about the matter where be like say it happen. This paper, this cheat paper, where be like say the Nigeria boy, whether people say na Benin boy or whatever, but me I don't know. Now waiting I know say they say na Nigeria it be black. Yeah, he can't go collect. Where be like say now he don't bring wahala. Many people, like people they stress themselves, people don't confuse, people don't frustrate about this matter. We don't do many video about. Recently, today morning on Rai TV, Italian TV station, one of Italian newspaper, Stampa and they come blog that matter. They bring and say Italian mafioso, and the matter if no be say mafioso matter, but na the way the blogger it take go right, and we be like say Italian journalists and their panels they come TV station for Rai TV. They come they do analysis about that. Say some Nigeria boy don't they do voice. Say may they come meet them for somewhere. They won't come they give paper all those things. But me self I wonder how the Italian man self he can understand about. No say. However, maybe some Nigeria, you know, some Nigerian people now they explain waiting the boy talk. Now make it go blogger on social media. We be like say now everywhere on Italian stations they talk that matter. Say Nigeria people say they share paper, all those kind of things. We be like say post safe. If you go post now, people don't fool there. Everybody say they share document. But the reason why we are here today is we are here again to explain it far further for people, because I know I did the video but many people are still confusing. They have not yet understand the issue very well. The issue is that paper is for someone. For example, I have a humanitarian and I want to apply for maybe Carta di Soggiorno, or I want to renew it. You can go to the poster and collect this sheet, and the sheet they will give you a forms, and from there you will fill all the forms, the necessary things that they are requesting. You're gonna fill it inside that forms. So the forms is not for sharing of documents, but it's for you to renew your paper or requesting for another paper. For example, you need Carta di Soggiorno, so you want to request a Carta di Soggiorno. You will go and collect this paper. So this paper is not it doesn't concern anything like sharing of documents. No, it's for applying of documents. I know there are a lot of guys they have documents but they have still go there to collect the thing. Waiting you won't use and do. See, it na small thing they take the report person, na small thing person take the see problem, because you get humanitarian, you get quasi special, you get political asylum, you get subsidiary. They say that they share paper, even though they say that they share paper. You where you get paper, where they say that they share paper for people where be like say they not get paper. Waiting concerning you for applying for another paper. One person you won't come they use two paper. So this one, so if you go fail and finish before you go know, so they go know say this person you be greedy. They will come cancel your documents where they don't already give you. And one thing is this paper is not for sharing documents. They know they share documents. So you where you think say na sharing of documents, I don't already talk. It's not about sharing of documents. So anybody where you want call me, you feel call ask your questions, but not concerning this sharing of document, because the paper, Glow, you not get the paper for your phone. That waiting the right so. The paper where they talk, the paper not to request or to renew. Now they talk. They no share they no say they want share document. I don't know whether mostly they say the school matter may we take and serious. And even though you never go to school, there are some things if you see, no be say you go quick go shook head. Go apply, say they share paper. You go collect, and where you don't know the type of paper where they share, the category of people where they won't give them the paper. Even though Italy won't share paper, the paper where you won't share. Now people will be like say they get work. People will get working contracts. Will be like say they not get paper. Now those people they release paper for. No be you where maybe, for example, you don't go commission, your results never come. You will go apply for this paper for what purpose? Maybe your issue they appeal, they never bring out. You will go apply for this paper. What thing you want use and do? The paper not concerning you, my dear brother. No go feel any form. You will come like say your sojourn yourself where they don't give you, they will come collect her for your hand. You understand? Cause the thing not to request or to renew your permission, your permission to stay. Now I can't write stroke kata di sojourno for per cittadini stranieri, for foreign citizens where they want request or renew their permission or their kata di sojourno. Not them. This paper they talk about. The paper no they talk say they want share documents. I beg, may una be wise. May we follow up with some things. Waiting not concerning you. Fight will not be your fight. Matter way knock on your door. No go meet her. No go meet her. Because this matter, you know, say as they don't start and where they don't put Nigeria where Italian newspapers, their bloggers don't they start they blogger. Cause Ray TV, now a viral TV station where they Italy, where people they listen. Today they talk about that matter. Say Nigerian boys say me they come meet her. For me, self the voice as they send and give me, invest me. So I'm not just listening the voice. But people will listen and they say the boys say me they come meet her for one place. Now there you go help people give them paper. We be like say now they talk. I know say some bloggers don't come. They talk say they go block Nigerians even though they won't share the documents. They never say they won't block any Nigeria. Say they no go share document give them because the document itself they never start to the sharer. They talk about her, but they never even go to parliament to debate on it, to approve it as something where they won't do. They never talk about, you know, so you know they carry, they do something. As they won't share the paper, they will consider and know the countries where they won't give, the people where they go give them. How you go take apply them. They go do the process. No be this one where be like say na paper where people won't use until renew their document or to apply for different documents. When I go come they do voice, they disturb people. Some people self no go work because of this. You go post and go stand for line say he won't go collect this document because Italy they share documents. And the thing is not true. Now so since morning people they call, they say they want share documents. Not true. I don't talk, I say no be true. Anytime where they go bring any news concerning sharing of the document, I'm the right place. You can watch me. Or not be only my channel. There are so many channels where be like say you go where you by yourself, the way the person go take address the issue. Nobody go tell you say oh waiting they talk now truth. Because not be anyhow person where go on social media because of their personal interests. They will come they do video anyhow. Try make you define channel where you know say how the person they talk, how they explain the matter. Now person will be like say he won't educate you, no be say he won't they do business. And please, my channel, I not get any bank account. Will be like say are they use and they receive money or any donation. So if one person call you say now blacks in Europe, that boy where they do video now in channel, he say that they do donation. I know they do any donation. So anybody call you with my name, no be me. No be me because I know our people they like that thing. They will go they use another person name say they won't do donation. No. I beg as we they talk anything where you don't understand, drop your comment. May you click on the like because as I go on because of our love, any information we go come about, I must come release them. So the love why they show for when they get on our time, when I still get time, drop comment, click the like, share the video on your Facebook, your WhatsApp. Because see this boy in your voice where he sent. The voice, I go say the whole world now. The voice don't read there. But if we bring good news, if they had make people share them. Our people, if na porno picture you see for social media, you go quick share am. But information will go help all of us. It hard us. I know it's difficult, but Mona try on our best. They drop comment, they share the video. Hey, because if una do that, me self go feel una go know say wetin I they do, una really they enjoy am. Yeah, so there is no information like sharing of documents, and if the information come, so far as you don't subscribe, you don't click the bell, you go get the notification if I load any video, cause mostly na documents. I know say many people now don't ask questions, but the questions is many. Some I know they remember, but I go find day like Saturday. I will do video to answer all on our questions. Everybody, your question where you don't ask, I will try to answer it for you. And people will be like, when I say, when I want renew paper, when I don't put on more than 1 year, it never come. Most things you must go to Questura, because there are some questions. Now Questura be the best place where they go fit answer for you, because sometimes you feel renew paper, it go reach like 1 year, the paper never come out. Should be understand. It go reach 1 year, it go reach 6 months. So it depends. Some people say they don't thumb print, since the thumb printing where they thumb print, the plastic never come. So na patient. But if it would say na Questura be the best place where you must go for all those things. And people will be like say, una say like you go appeal like 3 times. Now they say may you stick on request for asylum again. Yeah, they're requesting for new asylum. You can create a new story, and if you want, you can also use the old story, but you go polish the story. You understand? Where you see say mistakes there, you go correct them. If you don't want, if you create another new story, you go use that to do your requesting of new asylum, because that one a new process where you won't do not be old process. You want start something new, so you must create everything new. So now so it be. And so they say their paper don't expire more than 2 years now. You travel go somewhere, you not can renew one. You won't know whether you go feel renew one. The best place is Questura. But for now, if your paper you don't use and work as that humanitarian be that time for almost 2 years where the paper don't expire, it's 2 things involved. It's hard to say they don't cancel the paper, or if you go, they go renew one, but they go give you 1 year. So you go try your luck. Everybody get luck, because you know say Italy, the law they, but the law sometimes they ignore and small. They feel say the law they say you must get work, but now we Salvini don't lose the elections. We are praying that they will try and change everything for us. You understand? But till now, till today, as I'm talking to you, they have not approved any law say they don't change Salvini in laws about the document matter. We still they pray say the new interior minister Luciana Lermogese, you don't know, and that the new interior minister, a woman, yeah. Before they work as a service servant under immigration system. So the woman, for sure, you know many things about immigrants, refugees matter, because now there in don't work. And one interesting thing, I don't first talk for my previous video. The woman, a person will be like say now only WhatsApp he gets, he not get Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, all those things like as having every time you go stand on social media, you go they tarnish our name, they talk bad. This woman, a woman will be like say he not get any social media handles. So for now, I think it's good news that Salvini lost the elections. So we they pray, may they try, may they change some things. But sharing of any documents have not yet approved, so everybody should come out in mind. No paper like that of sharing document. The paper now for requesting for renewing your document, or requesting for a different type of documents, a different category of documents. So the paper no be sharing of the documents. I beg, Mona share the video, Mona subscribe, Mona stay blessed. All of una wey dey my WhatsApp group, the WhatsApp group. May God bless you all for supporting and helping me moving my channel far. We are all helping ourselves, but I will say more thanks to you guys, because coming on YouTube was a passion. It's not a job. It's a passion that maybe I know something, I can release it, or understand something, I can release it. Also, if you're in my WhatsApp group and you know you have a passion of this stuff of YouTube, or you have any story, any information, you can also drop it on the WhatsApp group for us to debate on it, to talk about it, to know the good side and the bad side. So stay calm and stay blessed, watching me every time and sharing my video. God will bless you as He's blessing me. The blessing will also fall on you. Just stay blessed, relax yourself, put your brain down. Any information they will bring, try to verify. try to do good investigation about it before going and applying any paper, because applying of the paper can result you to another bad situation. So no one is sharing documents. Italy is not sharing documents. The paper is not about sharing of documents. Stay blessed. See you next time. Adios.